morning, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama jumping into a 16 by 76. We call this home the Macon. This is going to my friends in Iowa, Jim and Teresa, and I love what they've done with the place. So they've enlarged some windows. Let's just talk about the different things that they've done. Enlarged some windows, and what was really smart of this customer is they went ahead, since we're traveling such a long distance, they have added some extra siding and corner posts to go with the home, just in case something happens. You don't have to do that, but it is not a bad idea. We've also added some TV phone jacks down here. We added one there. They put one over here. This is going to be their TV wall. We've got a Craftsman door coming into the front door, 6 windows at the top. Normally it's a standard 6 panel with a peephole, but if you want to dress up your home a little bit, that's the way to go right there. We've got Nordic white on the floor, urban oak on the cabinet. That's a hardwood. We've got some crescent edging here, which is a nice feature with the drama marble. This customer has made this home really energy efficient. It does have the Energy Star. It's a certified home and also made by Champion. We've got the corner sink in the Macon. We've added an extended base right here to give some more storage. Gas stove. And I love this hutch. One of my favorite hutches ever. Coming into the back door, not anything too fancy back here. There's that 6-panel solid with the peephole. This is the washer dryer area. Main water shutoff throughout, also a standard feature here. Coming into the primary bedroom, the Macon has a very large primary bedroom and a nice size walk-in closet. A couple of the really nice features of the Macon. Coming into the primary bath, this is like what I've noticed over the last couple of videos. Remember, we used to do 3 bulb light strips above the mirrors. The last couple I've seen are 4 bulb light strips. So I don't know. I guess I should probably check that out. But the last few I've seen, like I said, 4 bulb light strips. They did the standard 60-inch tub shower combination. Coming back to the other end of the home. Is anybody else so tired of this weather? I'm in this home and freezing my fingers off here. Coming down to the hallway, programmable thermostat. That's a standard feature of a Champion home. Here's bedroom 2. Bath 2. How many bulbs? That's a 3 bulb light strip. Oh, so I'm figuring this out. I think if you have a larger mirror, then you're gonna have a larger light strip. I'll double check on that for you guys. They've enlarged this window here because I think this is going to look out onto their beautiful property. So that's what they're doing here. Here's a home coming in. By the way, we make a lot of homes here. I don't know if I told you guys, 55 acres of manufacturing space. We produce about 32 homes a day at our top production rate. And we do it right. We do it beautiful. This is what you're gonna get in a prefab factory built home. Good quality, nice features, good decoration, and quality service. Thank you for watching. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Have a great day.